we are going to listen the story of Cinderella from the second unit, Still We Rise. In this unit, the first chapter is a popular fairy tale named Cinderella. Students, see this newspaper cutting. Dear children, did you finish reading? That newspaper report made me unhappy. What about you? Don't you feel unhappy? What is the newspaper report about? Yes, the newspaper report about the death of a 10 years old girl. What is the reason for the death of that girl? What is the reason? What is the reason for the death of that girl? What is the reason? Yes, torture by the stepmother is the reason for that girl death. Anyway, you understood that a number of girls are abused in India even by their parents. Anyway, here in this lesson, we are going to against with a girl named Cinderella. Are you ready to listen the story of Cinderella? Okay, here is the story.
The Cinder Girl. Once upon a time, there was a rich man who lived happily with his wife and daughter. One day, his wife fell sick. When she felt that her end was drawing near, she called her only daughter near her and said, "Dear child, be good and pious, and God will always take care of you. I will look upon you from heaven and will be with you." And then she closed her eyes forever. The maiden went every day to her mother's grave and wept, and remained pious and good. When winter came, snow covered the grave with a white covering. Then the sun came in the early spring and melted it away. Soon Cinderella's father married again. The new wife was a proud and unkind woman. The new wife brought her 2 daughters along with her, though they were beautiful and fair in appearance. At heart, they were weak and ugly. And then began the evil times for the poor girl. "Is a stupid creature to sit in the same room with us?" asked they. "Those who eat food must earn it. She is nothing but a kitchen maid." They took away her pretty dresses and forced her to put on an old grey one. They also gave her wooden shoe to wear. The stepsister laughed at her and sent her to the kitchen. There she was made to do heavy work from morning to night. Get up early in the morning, draw water, make the fire, cook and wash. In the evening she was quite tired after the day's hard work. As she had no bed to lie upon, she had to rest on the hearth among the cinders. She always looked dusty and dirty, as she slept in the cinders, so they named her Cinderella.
There was a rich man. His wife was died. Before the dying mother called his daughter and advised. The dying mother promised his daughter she will look after her above from the heaven. Then, when winter came, the grave was covered with snow. What do you mean by grave? Now you can see the picture of grave. Then Cinderella's father married another woman. The new wife was proud and unkind woman. That stepmother brought her two daughters. Their appearance was good.
Cinderella was ill-treated by her stepmother and stepsisters. They were jealous on Cinderella. In that house, all the household duties do that poor girl. That stepmother and stepsisters, they nothing doing. Cinderella was made to do heavy works from morning to night. She get up early morning, draw water, make the fire, cook and wash. She had no rest. She always looked dusty and dirty. She slept in the cinders, so they named her Cinderella.
This is our story. Did you like this story? Okay, let's move to the homework. Here is the homework.
First one, what advice did the dying mother give her daughter? Second one, why is Cinderella called so?
It's all about today's class. Thank you.